everyone, I am Ruksar Hedri and welcome to yet another captivating podcast featuring East Pharma Technologies. So, joining us today, we have Mr. Kiran Girajala, who's been very instrumental in the operations and expansion of East Pharma Technologies. Hi, Mr. Kiran, how are you?
I'm good, Ruksar. Hello, everyone. Thank you for inviting me.
Well, it's a pleasure having you here, and I'm really looking forward to having this conversation ahead with you.
Perfect.
But before we begin, can you just introduce yourself to our audience?
I'm Kiran Girajala, CEO of East Pharma Technologies. I'm responsible for strategic development, product development, operations, and so on.
So, I think you have major responsibilities on your shoulders.
Yeah.
How's the entire experience coming along for you?
Well, it's really motivating myself, and I'm pushing through my capabilities, and I'm just trying to make sure that the company is growing day by day.
Well, we can very well see your efforts and the way the expansion is happening. It's commendable.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. So, Mr. Kiran, can you shed some light on what East Pharma Technology is all about and specifically what kind of products does it manufacture?
Certainly, Ruksar. So, East Pharma Technologies manufactures a wide range of packaging products, which are primary and secondary packaging products, focusing mainly on the pharmaceutical industry, also serving some FMCG and also beverage industries. So, currently, we are operating two manufacturing facilities on the outskirts of Hyderabad, and one being developed and probably be commercialized and produced from September 2024.
Oh, wow. So, looks like you have quite some things pipelined.
Yeah.
All right. So, talking about it, how many products do you really manufacture? Do you have a particular count?
So I can't give you a count because some products we have in pipeline and some are commercialized. So roughly around we have around 40 plus different products in different categories. Yeah, starting with flip off seals. These seals are majorly used in biopharma, pharmaceutical industries, and injectables. We do have different sizes, different colors, starting with 13 mm, 20 mm, 24 mm, 28, 32 mm. We offer these seals in glossy and matte finish. We also have seals which have been sterilized and non-sterile. And next we have ophthalmics for eyedroppers. We call it as three-piece containers. We do have 5 ml, 10 ml, and 15 ml. These ophthalmic containers are sterile by Gamma and ETO. Next we have silicone tubes and hoses. So these tubes and hoses are the solutions for transfer, and they come with platinum cured silicone, thermoplastic elastomer tubes, and so on. So these tubes are regulated 22 certificates, which are approved by the US FDA and global pharmaceutical authorities. Next, we have thermoforming blister components. These blister components are used for vial packaging, ampules, which are made up of PVC, PP, PET, HIPS, and so on. So these components are majorly used for medical device packaging and ampule packaging. Next, we have droppers. These droppers are used for oral dosages. We have droppers ranging from 1 ml to 5 ml. And then we have measuring cups and measuring spoons for liquid dosages. So these cups comes with CE marking. According to the client requirement, we emboss them or we print on them. So these measuring cups are 5 ml, 10, 15, 35, and so on. Next product is quite an interesting product, which is sterilization pouches. These pouches are basically used in change part sterilization, and also not only used in pharmaceuticals but also used in healthcare. And next we have ROPP caps. These are made up of aluminium. The sizes vary from 13, 14, 22, 25, and 28. These are used in liquid dosage, and these are as per the US FDA norms. Then we have dosing cards. These dosing cards are used for topical ointments which are measured to use on your skin. And this is an interesting product which is medical cannabis packaging. So we have developed it for European and Nordic countries And this is a 250 ml jar which is made up of HDPE and 72 closure with child resistant system. And then we have oral syringes with adapters. These oral syringes comes with CE markings ranging from 1 ml to 20 ml. So we can do different colors, different design, printing, embossing. And last but not least, we have silica gel, molecular sieves, and activated carbons, which we call solutions for adsorbents, provided in sachets and canisters. So that's all. This is a basket and a wide array of products what East Pharma is manufacturing.
Wow, that's actually fantastic. You have quite a wide spectrum of products that you manufacture, right?
Yeah.
So, after having learned so much about these products in detail, I'm sure the future really looks very promising. So, having said that, what are your future plans like, and what kind of products do you have that have been, pipelined in the coming future?
So we have several products in pipeline, and we do have a team of professionals who are having an expertise of 20 plus years in packaging. And we have been developing few products like syringes for US and Europe market. And then we have PVC blisters, PVDC blisters, and effervescent tubes, dry powder inhalers, and nasal sprays are few products from these pipeline products. And furthermore, as I was mentioning earlier, that we are constructing a new greenfield project on the outskirts of Hyderabad, which will be ready by September 2024. We are planning to establish 3 different products, which are aluminium collapsible tubes, Lamy tubes, which are made up of ABL and PBL materials, which are widely used in pharmaceutical, cosmetics, and oral care. Yeah, furthermore, we will be expanding into flexibles, which manufactures laminates and pouches, with an initial emphasis on the pharmaceutical industry and later goes to the FMCG.
Wow, that's indeed a very extensive and comprehensive plan. It's amazing to know that you have quite some things pipelined, and we really hope that things shape up as planned.
Perfect. Thank you so much.
All right, so like you mentioned about pharmaceutical industries, I'm sure every country and every company has its own standards, right? So, how do you cater to those global standards and how do you regulate?
Good question, Ruksar. As we primarily focus in catering to the pharmaceutical industries, it is essential that we remain regulated, and the certification process, everything has to be perfectly fit in as per the US FDA guidelines and other global pharmacopoeia. And as I told you, that all our manufactured products have been manufactured in ISO class 7 and class 8 clean rooms, and the manufacturing facilities have been complied with ISO 9001, 13485, 15378. So we have a dedicated team of professionals who are working 24/7 on continuously improving and enhancing the standard qualities and delivering top-notch quality products.
Well, sounds like you really are maintaining quite some global standards when it comes to production.
Yeah.
So, can you please tell us about your export market presence as well?
Sure, Ruksar. Our products reach more than 54 countries, and our further strategies involves establishing new facilities in China and Saudi Arabia to cater the Middle East, North Africa region, and also some Southeast Asian markets. We are also forging partnerships with distribution channel partners in South America, Nordic countries, Eastern Europe, Africa, and some Asian countries.
Thank you so much, Mr. Kiran, for sparing time from your busy schedule and for giving us such deep insights into East Pharma Technologies.
Thank you, Ruksar. It's a pleasure talking to you. Thank you for having me here.
Well, that's a wrap for today's podcast, and we'll see you very soon. Thanks a lot for tuning in. This is yours truly, Ruksar Hedri, signing out.